So today we're reviewing the Semlos Dynamo solar powered wind up radio with torch and emergency lamp, and this comes boxed with all the technical details on the back. Open it up, it's well packaged, it's all in bubble wrap inside. We've got a charging cable. Box out of the way. Here we've got the unit itself, and here we've got the instructions. We've got all the English on this side, gives all the details that you need to know about all the different spec down the bottom and how to operate it further up, and then all the details for all of the controls. So we've got the charging cable here. This is only one of the various ways to charge this up. So we can use this in the DC in socket here. If we connect it to a laptop or any other USB socket, we can charge up the lamp that way. We can also use the very same cable if we've got Android or anything else with a micro USB plug. We can also use that in the DC out while we're out and about to power the device from this unit. So it's a power bank as well as the torch and the lamp and the radio and siren. So when we are looking at the controls on the front, if I turn this other light off, you can see that if we push it to light, we've got the torch on the front. So there's a collection of very bright LEDs in the front there. If we move it to the opposite side, then we've got a work lamp. Again, a collection of bright LEDs in there. Put it back in the middle. Put that other light back on. What we've also got is we've got the solar panel on the top here, so if we're out and about we can just leave it on, and you can see just a desk lamp is enough to start the charging process. You can see that red light inside. Equally, if we don't have much sun and we haven't got any USB, we can also power by hand cranking it. Again, you can see the charging light coming on in the back. So I can either use the radio on this, I can use either of the two lights, or if I've got a device such as an iPhone, I can plug the cable into the socket here, and if I plug that into my phone there, if I now switch this down to charge, you can see I'm now putting juice back in my phone. So we've got many uses here. As we said, there is also the radio. I've not got very good reception here. You have got a 34cm telescopic aerial on the back, and you can switch between FM and AM down here. So if I want FM, and then just a case of turning it on here on the volume, turn the charging off, and there we go. Radio as well. So all in all, a very handy device for taking out and about. If camping, you've got the work light, you've got torch when you're out walking, you can recharge your phone, and if you need some music to get to sleep to, you can always listen to the radio. And there we go, that is the Semlos Solar Wind Up Emergency Radio. Thank you.